Hey guys! Tonight we wander back to a time when cobblestone streets echoed with horse hooves. Flickering torches light shadowy alleys, and people had an appetite for some truly bizarre snacks. You probably won't survive this culinary adventure without raising an eyebrow or two, because, honestly, medieval junk food might just be the weirdest thing you've never tried. Imagine biting into a sweet treat made with nothing but honey, old bread, and saffron, or munching on pies stuffed with meat and fruit that don't quite belong together. Welcome to a world where snacks weren't just food but stories on a plate, woven with superstition, wealth, and survival. So, before you get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe, but only if you genuinely enjoy what I do here. Also, drop your location and local time in the comments. Sharing sleep vibes globally is part of the fun. Now, dim the lights, maybe turn on a fan for that soft background hum, and let's ease into tonight's journey together. You find yourself in a bustling medieval village. The air hums with the chatter of merchants and a hint of wood smoke. Around you, market stalls overflow with strange edibles, fat spices, dried fruits, some sweet, others less so. This wasn't the era of potato chips or chocolate bars. Instead, meals blended necessity with experimentation, survival with a touch of excitement. Medieval junk food might sound like an oxymoron, but people loved their snacks just as much as today. Their idea of indulgent foods that could be rare, flavored with exotic spices, shipped from distant lands or made from ingredients familiar but combined in curious ways. You notice something shiny, honey. It's their sugar, their sweet gold, dripping into every treat. Yet, sugar as we know it was rare and expensive. So honey reigned supreme. The challenge wasn't just flavor but preservation and availability. Food accidents, inventions born from kitchen disasters, and cultural beliefs all mingled into what you'd now call snacking. In fact, scholars still argue whether these early snacks shaped medieval social hierarchies or just helped fill hungry bellies between meager meals. Walking past the market stalls, you glimpse the curious faces of vendors hawking odd pies and roasted nuts coated in spices. Behind this ancient food scene is a continuous dance between pleasure and necessity, because in a world where food could be scarce, strange snacks offered moments of joy wrapped in mystery and tradition. Tonight, you're not just a spectator but a time traveler tasting medieval junk food through stories. Fasten your seatbelt, or rather, loosen your corset, and prepare for an exploration of flavors that survive centuries, from honeyed breads to meat-filled pastries that might make you question your palate. This is medieval junk food like you've never imagined.